Jothum osing negi chudo makare motelone nyasi mag sikukuu. Eseche mabende duol mochung' ne ratiro mag Jothum mano Music Copyright Society of Kenya MCSK omedo omenda mijuogo joma tiyo koda thumbe makamago. Jakom mar MCSK Lazarus Muli osingo ne jokanyo maggi ni gibiro yudo pesa kochopo tarik 15 mar dweni mar dwe mar 12 kendo obiro bedo omenda mabupa. Kane giloso e nyasi mar 31 mano mar MCSK ma higa ka higa e magawa moro Machakos, Muli kod jotelo kata jatelo maduong' mar duolno Dr. Ezekiel Mutua owacho ni duolno oikore mar loko talanta mar Jothum mondo obed mwandu.
When you have collected, to collect the royalties from matatu industry, from the hotels and restaurants, from the media houses, you need the enforcement. And it's the work of the police. It is a constitutional requirement. Article 40 says that the government, the state is obligated to protect the intellectual property of its citizens. So when we call for the police for reinforcement, it is in the constitution. If the government means business, if this truly is a hustler government, we got to be serious now with the way we treat musicians. And we got to point out where the problem is. Let us not have side shows and shenanigans. That time should be over.
Watu wa matatu wamekuwa atulipi. Watu wa pera wamekuwa atulipi. Pesa ziko mingi na tumehakikishiwa na tumeweka structures ya kwamba hizo pesa tutaokota within that time.
Every month we have a potential of making so much. I don't know sijui kama ni serikali haijui kwamba if they can get tax from the billion.
Yeah.
Tunaweza jenga barabara mingi, si ndio? If now there's proper reinforcement, musicians tunafaa kuwa na mansions.